Good morning, farmer friends. I, Parshuram Patroti, I welcome all of you to our famous farmer show, Krushi Darshan. As customary to this program, we always come up with new topics in agriculture. Today, we are here to discuss about conservation agriculture, which is gaining importance in recent times. To discuss this issue, we have a panel of experts among us, and I take this opportunity to introduce each of them. Towards my left, I have Dr. Neeti Sharma. She is working as a principal scientist in the Division of Agronomy, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. She has got 10 years of experience in research and extension. I welcome you, ma'am. Dr. Nitya Chandran, principal scientist, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. She is heading the Division of Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry. I welcome you, ma'am. Dr. Partha Devarai, principal scientist, Directorate of Sorghum Research, Hyderabad. He has excellent knowledge in the area of conservation agriculture. I welcome you, sir. Dr. Neha Wajahat, principal scientist, National Center for Agricultural Economics and Policy Research, New Delhi. She has got 13 years of experience in agriculture economic analysis and policy making. I welcome you, ma'am. Towards my right, I have Dr. Patan Aslam Latif, senior scientist, Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture, Hyderabad. He has expertise in the area of land and water management engineering. I welcome you, sir. Dr. Prabhat Kumar Guru, senior scientist, Central Institute for Agricultural Engineering, Bhopal. He has expertise in the area of farm machinery and mechanization. I welcome you, sir. I welcome Dr. Paras Najja, program coordinator, Krushi Vijnana Kendra, Rangareddy district, Telangana. He is an excellent extension expert. He traveled across the country to promote this technology. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. At last, I have Dr. Parul Sunda, professor, Water Technology Center, Professor Jaishankar, Telangana State Agriculture University, Hyderabad. She has got 10 years of experience in teaching. I welcome you, ma'am. I welcome all the expert panel for this episode of conservation agriculture. Before going into the technical details of today's topic, I would like to know from Dr. Neeti, can you enlighten our viewers about conservation agriculture?
Sure, Dr. Parshuram. Conservation agriculture is a set of soil management practices that minimize the disruption of soil structure, composition, and natural biodiversity. The system mainly focuses on three basic principles. Number one, maintenance of permanent or semi-permanent soil cover. Number two, minimum soil disturbances through tillage and regular crop rotation.
Thank you, Dr. Neeti, for actually introducing the actual system of conservation agriculture to our viewers. Now I request Dr. Aslam, as Neeti mentioned, maintenance of semi-permanent cover is important. So, how to maintain the semi-permanent cover and what is the importance of this?
Sure, Dr. Parshuram. For protecting the soil, plants are left growing and the residues left to decompose in situ. We can utilize green manure or cover crop as a residue cover. So, I suggest avoid burning of the field crop because plant residues acts as a barrier against strong wind and high temperature. Besides, it protects the soil from falling raindrop and also conserves the soil moisture of the field.
That's really well said, Aslam. Thank you. Now I request Dr. Nitya, what is zero tillage and what is the importance of zero tillage in relation to conservation agriculture?
Of course, Dr. Parshuram. Today, no-till cultivation is a key element in conservation agriculture, and it is one among the many practices designed by our farmers, extension workers, and scientists to make our agriculture more sustainable. Zero tillage doesn't involve any loosening of the soil except for a very small area immediately surrounding where the seed is planted. By following these practices, we can maintain the overall structure, stability, and porosity of the soil, which promotes the exchange of water and gases.
Thank you, Dr. Nitya, for your valuable information. Now I request Dr. Prabhat, are there any machines are available for zero tillage? If so, how our farmers can use these machines?
Yes, Dr. Parshuram. Zero tillage seed cum fertilizer drill is available and it is very suitable for Indian soil conditions. Zero tillage machine is just like existing seed cum fertilizer drill, but the basic difference is that the tines of the machine is smaller than the existing seed drill. Zero tillage machine is also very useful for sowing of wheat crop after harvesting of paddy crop. Zero tillage machine is either operated by bullocks, power tillers or tractors, and by a use of tractor drawn 11 times zero till seed cum fertilizer drill, farmers can sow about 1.2 acre of land in 1 hour.
Thank you, Dr. Prabhat. Now I request Dr. Partha, what is the role of crop protection in relation to conservation agriculture?
Sure, Dr. Parshuram. Crop rotation is practice of series of growing crops in the same area in a sequential season. For example, maize, cotton, cowpea rotation. Here, maize is a grain crop that generates residue. Cotton is a deep-rooted crop that generates cash income, and cowpea is a legume that adds fertility to the soil through nitrogen fixation. Apart from this, it also reduces pests and diseases and control weeds as well. Ultimately, it improves soil quality, biological activity and better nutrient distribution.
Thank you, Dr. Partha. This is a really valuable information to our farmers. Now I request, and I am very curious to know from you, Dr. Paras, as you traveled across the country and you involved in many awareness camps, I want to know from you whether this technology is really useful to our farmers.
Definitely, Dr. Parusharam. There are several benefits in terms of increased productivity of land, labor, nutrients, water, soil biota and many more. Further, I would like to add, based on my knowledge and experience, still there are many farmers who don't know about conservation agriculture technology. So there is a need to take mass awareness program to initiate effective and better adoption of conservation agriculture technology.
Thank you, Dr. Paras, for sharing your valuable experience with us. It is really important point because most of the technology fails because lack of promotion of the technologies. It's really noteworthy, sir. Now I request, and we are moving towards our economist, Dr. Neha. Dr. Neha, can you take your consent that this technology is economically viable?
Sure, Dr. Parshuram. Farmers using conservation agriculture technologies have mostly reported higher yields, 45 to 48% higher, with the use of fewer inputs like water, fertilizer and labor, thereby overall increasing the farm profits. The economic benefits of zero-till more than any other factor has led to widespread adoption of this technology among small and large-scale farmers throughout the world. The positive impact of conservation agriculture technologies on the distribution and reduction of labor during the production cycle are the main reasons for its quicker adoption. It also allows a reduction in production cost, reduction in total labor requirements and reduction in time, especially during the peak demand. In mechanization sector also, it leads to reduced investments on the machinery and their maintenance in the long run. So overall, this venture is profitable for the farmers to adopt.
Thank you, Dr. Neha, for critically evaluating this system and connecting it with our economic returns. I thank you. Now, last, I would like to know from Dr. Parul whether this technology is environmentally safe.
Okay, Dr. Parshuram. Conservation agriculture is an environment-friendly technology. It uses resources more efficiently than the conventional agriculture system and make them available for the future generation. The significant reduction in fossil fuel consumption in no-till agriculture results in reduced greenhouse gas emission into the environment. Long-term study shows that this practice improves the soil health and results in increasing the biodiversity.
Thank you, Dr. Parul. I thank all our experts for joining on this special episode about conservation agriculture. I thank Dr. Niti, Dr. Nitya, Dr. Partha, Dr. Neha, Dr. Aslam, Dr. Prabhat, Dr. Paras and Dr. Parul. So farmer friends, here we come to an end of this special episode on conservation agriculture. I hope it was informative and valuable to all of you. So for further any queries on this subject, you may write to the Director, Krushi Darshan, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad 500030. Or you can also log on to our website www.krushidarshan.co.in. So meet you again on same day, on same time with different topic. Until then, take care, goodbye and namaste.